Very good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes.
Say something. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Yashpal, please write down your roll number, beta. Yashpal Deshmukh. Please write down your roll number. Yashpal, am I audible? Sanket Patil, write down your roll number. Sanket Patil,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
write down your roll number. Am I audible, Sanket? Sanket beta, am I audible?
Yes,
Chinmay
ma'am.
Joshi. Yes. Sanket Patil 31. Okay. Chinmay Joshi, please write down your roll number. Chinmay Joshi, please write down your roll number. Everyone write down your roll number, please. Please request on my behalf everyone to join the meeting immediately. Someone do the thing, do the needful. On my behalf, someone request everyone to join the class immediately. Anushka Bhagwat, what is your roll number? Anushka Bhagwat, what is your roll number? Anushka Bhagwat, Ashish Dipnet Mishra. No, he has written the roll number. आवाज within 2 minutes we will start. Within 2 minutes we will start. Just recall your memory till then. Please recall your memory till then. Mansi Shinde, write down your roll number. Nagesh, please write down your roll number. Yashpal Deshmukh. Okay. Chalo, please someone take the lead and on my behalf request all others to join. Please. Now we will start the lectures. This second, I told you to solve on yourself. If you are not solved, this was left from the first lecture, second lecture. Write down the numerical. This second one first we have done. First we have done. You got the answer yesterday. Second, I told you to write, do on your own. Here you have to use y into z into 100 into 1000 divided by v. For this numerical, y is 11.5, z is 0.05 into 100 into 1000 divided by 25. That will give total hardness. Before boiling, you will get total hardness y into z into 100 into 1000. Here y is 11.5, y is 11.5, z is 0.05 into 100 into 1000 divided by 25 v. That is total hardness. Give me the answer how much it is. Give me the answer how much it is.
2300.
How much? 2300. Everyone got the same answer. This is total hardness. Y into Z into 100 into 1000 divided by V. Y is 11.5, Z is 0.05 into 100 into 1000 divided by 25. So you will get 2300, which is the total hardness. Now after boiling, you get permanent hardness. So your X is 7.2. Y X into Z into 100 into 1000 divided by V. X into X burette reading after boiling, it is 7.2. Z is 0.05. X into Z into 100 into 1000 divided by V, that is 25 ml. So find out how much is the permanent hardness. दादा थोडा याने करा ना, आवाज येते. हा थोडा याने करता का? आवाज येतोय. Yes, how much is the answer? Permanent hardness. X is 7.2, Z is 0.05. The molarity of EDTA into 100 into 1000 divided by 25.
1440.
Yes. So total hardness you got 2300 plus minus permanent hardness 1440. So you will get temporary hardness.
860.
Yeah. Everyone got the numerical? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will turn to the numerical on zeolite. Yesterday I told you to write down the numerical. Today we will not solve the numerical which are given, but we will solve the numerical which are not given, because and then you will solve this numerical on your own. I will make the logic here. We will make the logic here. Now write down the numerical. It is not there in the given numericals. Write down everyone. 1000 liters. Please write down the numerical. This is for your practice. 1000 liters of hard water. 1000 liters of hard water was softened by using zeolite process. Not 10,000, sorry, 1000 liter. 1000 liter of hard water was softened by using zeolite process. The zeolite was regenerated. The zeolite was regenerated by passing 25 liters of sodium chloride solution. By passing 25 liters of sodium chloride solution containing 1800 milligram milligram per liter of sodium chloride. 1800 milligram per liter of sodium chloride. Calculate the hardness of water sample. Calculate the hardness of water sample. I'll repeat. Just check. 1000 liters of hard water was softened by using zeolite process. The zeolite was regenerated by passing 25 liters of sodium chloride solution containing 1800 milligram per liter of sodium chloride. Calculate the hardness of water. Calculate the hardness of water. Dear friends, I am getting the warning that my internet connection is unstable. If I will come out of this naturally by technical problem, please be there and rejoin, because in the college itself, even if it is declared that it should be work from home, we are still in the college and taking the lecture. And today there is little bit problem with the internet connectivity. So it's a kind request, if by mistake I will come out of the meeting, I will rejoin it with the same link. Please be there. It is not off because I am getting consistently the message that internet connection is poor or low. Okay, have you written the numerical? Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first, for all this problem, first step is common. Understand? First step is common. You have to concentrate on sodium chloride. How much sodium chloride powder is there per liter? So in this case, 1800 milligram of sodium chloride powder is there in 1 liter. So how much it will be for 25 liters? First step, for this type of numerical, first two steps are common. The values will go here and there, but first two steps for zeolite problem are same. First, you have to find out how much sodium chloride is there per liter and how many liters sodium chloride is used. So in the first step, how much amount of sodium chloride is there per liter and how many liters of sodium chloride is used? That is first step. So in the present problem, 1800 milligram of sodium chloride is there per liter and we have to use 25 liter. So for 1 liter it will be we will convert it in gram, we will divide it by 1000. So it is 1.8 gram. We will divide milligram into gram by dividing it by 1000. So you will get 1.8 gram. It is in 1 liter. So in 25 liter, how much it will be? 1.8 in 1 liter. So 25 liter, which is given in the numerical, 25 liter sodium chloride will have 1.8 into 25, that is 45 gram of sodium chloride. Are you with me? First step. Yes, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is common for all the numerical. You have to concentrate on how many gram or milligram of sodium chloride is there per liter, and for 1 liter it is there. So for given amount of sodium chloride, how much amount of sodium chloride powder will be there? So for 1 liter it is 1.8 gram. So for 25 liter it is 45 gram. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second
Yes,
step, we have to convert this NaCl in terms of CaCO3. Second step, also common, you have to convert this NaCl in terms of CaCO3. See, the logic is that X amount of NaCl is required, means that corresponding amount of impurities are present in the water sample. The logic is that if you require X amount of NaCl, that means that much amount of CaCO3 equivalent hardness is there. So we have to calculate second step, the NaCl we have to convert in terms of CaCO3 equivalent. So write down the equation. 2 NaCl is equivalent to 1 CaCO3. 2 NaCl is equivalent to 1 CaCO3. Yesterday I told you 1 Ca is plus 2 and 1 Na is plus 1. So we need 2 molecule of NaCl for 1 molecule of CaCO3. The chemical equivalence will be 2 molecules of NaCl is equivalent to 1 mole of CaCO3. Now the equivalent weight of NaCl, Na is 23 and Cl is 35.5. Na is 23, write down for your understanding, so that when you will revise, that time you will come to Na is 23 and Cl is 35.5. So NaCl, it has only one replaceable hydrogen, so its equivalent weight is 58.5. So on new line, just excuse me, I am getting one phone. Hello sir. मी कमंडे बोलते, ते आपलं काल याच्यात आलं ते होणार नाही का आपलं वर्क फ्रॉम होम? हॅलो, काल बातम्यात सांगितलं ना वर्क फ्रॉम होम शाळा कॉलेजेसला. ओके काय? हा हा काय, आणि ते डिक्लेअर केलं ना. मला कन्सर्न अशा करता की मला डायबिटीस आहे, बीपी आहे, तर आणि मला येताना म्हणजे रोज ड्रायव्हर भेटतो असं नाहीये, तर मला रिक्षेने यायला लागतं, तर ते रिस्क वाटते मला यायला, असं येणं जाणं असं. हा, तर मग म्हणून म्हटलं होतं, नाही तर मग आय विल आस्क फॉर माय सेफ्टी. आता इतकं वाढते तर मग मी घरनं करेन असं म्हणून. कारण VIT ला कालपासून टीचिंग नॉन टीचिंग दोघांनाही वर्क फ्रॉम होम आले म्हणून. हो, दुपारी आलं नॉन टीचिंगला, पण सकाळी फक्त टीचिंगला होतं. तर डीन अकॅडमिक्सनेच दिले म्हणून मी तुम्हाला फोन केला, बाकी काही नाही. तिथे डीन अकॅडमिक्सनेच कळवले सगळ्यांना. ओके, चालेल, प्लीज प्लीज. ओके, थँक्यू. ओके, थँक्यू. So second step is you have to convert this NaCl in terms of CaCO3. Logic is that if X amount of NaCl is required, that means Y amount of hardness is there. And that hardness we know that it is in terms of CaCO3. So first equation is 2 NaCl is equivalent to 1 CaCO3. Equivalent means 3 parallel lines. Equivalence means 3 parallel lines. And we know that charge on Ca is plus 2 and charge on Na is plus 1. So 2 into 58.5 gram, 2 into 58.5 gram is equivalent to 100 gram. Second line, you will write down the weight of NaCl is 58.5, sodium is 23 and Cl is 35.5. So 2 into 58.5 is equivalent to 100 gram. CaCO3 molecular weight is 100 gram. Now, so we will divide, 2 is common on both the side. So we will divide and we will get 58.5 gram of NaCl is equivalent to 50 gram. The meaning of, so 58.5 gram of NaCl is equivalent to 50 gram of CaCO3. That means the meaning of this 58.5 gram of NaCl will remove 50 gram of CaCO3 equivalent hardness. I'll repeat, 58.5 gram of NaCl is capable of removing 50 gram of CaSO3 equivalent hardness. But how much CaSO3, how much NaCl is there in our water sample? How much NaCl is in there our water sample?
1.8.
Yes. NaCl
45
कितना
grams.
निकाला हमने?
45 grams.
45.
1.8.
45 grams.
तो 58.5 के लिए 50 ग्राम CaSO3 है, तो 45 ग्राम के लिए कितना रहेगा CaSO3 इक्विवेलेंट हार्डनेस? नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज 58.5 के लिए 50 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट हार्डनेस है, तो 45 ग्राम के लिए how much it is?
45 into 50 divided by
50 divided by 58.5.
It is 45 into 50 divided by 58.5. It is as CaSO3 equivalent hardness. It is in grams, but ppm is milligram per liter. ppm is milligram per liter. So we will divide by 1000 now here. We will divide it by 1000 now here. 45 by 1000 into 50 by 58.5 will be milligram per liter. Milligram per liter. Excuse me, one step we will add. This hardness 45 into 50 divided by 58.5, it is present in 1000 liter of hard water. It is given in the numerical 1000 liter में इतना hardness है अपना. 1000 liter of water contains 45 into 50 divided by 58.5 gram of NaCl as CaSO3 equivalent hardness. 1000 के लिए उतना है, तो 1 लीटर के लिए कितना रहेगा? So 1 liter will have, we have to divide
1000.
Divide by 1000.
45 by 1000 into 50 by 58.5 NaCl. It is in gram, so we will multiply by 1000, you will get milligram. How much are you getting? I'll repeat again the whole numerical. How much it is for 1 liter? Yes.
1.8.
Chalo, are you with me, everyone? Yes,
Yes.
or any confusion, please? Any confusion? Have you understood 58.5 gram is capable of determining 50 gram of CaSO3 equivalent hardness?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
तो अपना आया रेट, अपना जो डेटा है उसमें आया 45 ग्राम ऑफ NaCl रिक्वायर है, इंस्टेड ऑफ 58.5 45 ग्राम NaCl रिक्वायर्ड है. तो उसमें how many grams of CaSO3 you can determine? So 50, since 58.5 is equivalent to 50, so 45 will be equal to 45 into 50 divided by 58.5 gram of CaSO3. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये इतना CaSO3 इक्विवेलेंट हार्डनेस कितने लीटर पानी में है? देखो अपना न्यूमेरिकल, कितने लीटर पानी में ये
1000.
1000 में.
1000 liter.
1000
So write down next step. Since 1000 liter of water contains, next step write down 1000 liters of water contains 45 into 50 divided by 58.5 gram of NaCl as CaSO3. 1000 liters of water contains 45 into 50 divided by 58.5 gram of NaCl. We have to find out per liter. So for 1 liter it will be, 45 divided by 1000 cross multiplication into 50 by 58.5 gram of CaSO3. NaCl as CaCO3 equivalent hardness. 1 लीटर में हमको कितना CaCO3 equivalent hardness मिलेगा? 45 divided by 1000 into 50 divided by 58.5.
0.048.
कितना आया?
0.048.
हाँ नहीं, कुछ तो गलत
0.0.
आया है. 45 by 1000 into 50 divided by 58.5.
0.38.
हाँ,
0.038.
0.038
but what is the
0.38.
unit? But what is the unit?
Gram.
milligram.
Milligram
What is
per liter.
ppm? What is ppm?
Milligram per liter.
Milligram per liter.
तो जो आंसर आया उसको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, you will get that many milligram of CaCO3 equivalent hardness per liter or ppm.
38.44.
4 milligram of CaCO3 equivalent hardness. Just take 2 minutes of yours and go through all the steps. Just take the view, take 2 minutes of here and go through all the steps. On the same line, try to solve the first numerical here given. On the same line, try to solve first numerical given here. Are you through with first numerical which we have solved? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अभी ये लिख डालो numerical. First one you write it down. Yesterday I gave you time. If you are not written, write down this. All different types we will take. All different types we will take. Hello. Are you through? Are you through? Have you written the first numerical from the slide? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now understand. Earlier it was given in gram, milligram. Only difference is here. It is given in percentage. So 15% means 15 gram in 100 ml. Write down 15% means 15 gram in 100 ml. NaCl कितना यूज किया है हमने? You write down 15% NaCl means 15 gram in 100 ml. How much NaCl we have used? How much NaCl we have used? चलो फटाफट. Read the
15
numerical.
gram.
10. How much NaCl we have
10
used?
liter.
हाँ? कितना लीटर NaCl यूज किया है हमने?
10 liters.
10 लीटर.
Liter.
See, write down 15 ग्राम 100 ml के लिए. So 1 लीटर के लिए कितना? Multiply by 10. 100 ml water में 15 gram we have added NaCl to get 15% NaCl. Now we want per liter. We want to convert NaCl per liter. So how much it will be? 100 ml के लिए 15 gram. So for 1 liter how much it is?
150 grams.
150 grams.
50 grams.
हाँ, और 10 लीटर के लिए
1500 grams.
1500 gram. Are you with me, everyone? First step.
Yes, ma'am.
15% NaCl means 15 gram in 100 ml. So 150 gram in 1 liter. So 1500 gram in 10 liter. Second step, you convert it into CaCO3 equivalent hardness. You convert NaCl into CaCO3 equivalent hardness. Write down 2 NaCl is equivalent to 1 CaCO3. So 2 into 58.5 is equivalent to 100. So 58.5 is equivalent to 50 gram. This second step, first two steps are same for all the numerical. So 58.5 is equivalent to 50 gram. Now how much NaCl is there? Earlier numerical it was 45. Now how many grams are there? इसमें कितने ग्राम है NaCl? 10 लीटर में कितना है?
300. 1500.
1500 gram. So 1500 gram NaCl will be equivalent to 1500. Do everything with understanding. Do everything with understanding. समझ में आया क्या? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone I want, बेटो. चलो everyone answer. You are,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
getting me? Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how much 1500 gram NaCl is equivalent to? Yes, 1500 into 50 divided by 58.5. It is present in how many liters?
4,000.
4000.
4,000.
So write down 1500 into 50 divided by 58.5 is present in
Divided by-
4000. So 4000 liter of water contains 1500 into 50 divided by 58.5 gram of NaCl as CaCO3. So 1 liter will have 4000 को इतना, तो 1 liter के लिए कितना है निकालो. So 1 liter will have 1500 divided by 4000 multiplied by 50 divided by 58.5 gram of NaCl as CaCO3. Gram of NaCl as CaCO3. Are you with me everyone?
320.5 ppm.
कितना है आपको?
320.5.
320.5
ppm.
या करेक्ट. तो 4000 के लिए उतना आया, तो 1 लीटर के लिए कितना? दैट इज योर हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर सैंपल which is 320.51. Please go through all the step. Instead of gram in NaCl they have given percentage. Percentage, whatever percentage is there, it is for 100 ml. So for per liter you have to multiply by 10. For then here 10 liter is there, so you again have multiplied by 10. So it was 1500. 1500 that was converted into CaCO3 as 1500 into 50 divided by 58.5. It was present in 4000 liters of water, 4000 liters of water, and therefore 1 liter how much it will be? So it will be 1500 divided by 4000 multiplied by 50 divided by 58.5. That multiplication factor. So you remember multiplication factor for NaCl is 50 by 58.5. 50 is the equivalent weight of CaCO3 and NaCl is the 58.5 is the equivalent weight of NaCl.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
जो भी आंसर आएगा वो ग्राम में आएगा ना, उसको मिलीग्राम में करना
हाँ
पड़ेगा ना?
मिलीग्राम में करना है ना कन्वर्ट. पीपीएम में करना है ना आपको कन्वर्ट. जो आएगा आंसर वो 1000 ग्राम आएगा. 1 लीटर के लिए जो आंसर आएगा वो ग्राम में आएगा. उसको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, वो मिलीग्राम आएगा. मिलीग्राम पर लीटर.
मैम मेरा 0.3197 आया.
मिलीग्राम में
नहीं
मिलीग्राम
ग्राम
में,
में, और मिलीग्राम में करते वक्त 319.7.
yeah, chalega.
Ma'am, milligram.
Here it is given 320, 319 will be okay. No problem. Are you with me with the two numerical? Third numerical, I'll take
Yes.
from my pocket, and second numerical from here, you will solve on your own on the same line. The logic you have to use it same. Write down the numerical. By passing 80 liters, by passing 80 liters of sodium chloride solution, by passing 80 liters, 80 liters of sodium chloride solution containing 300 gram per liter, containing 300 gram per liter sodium chloride, a exhaust zeolite softener bed, exhaust zeolite softener bed was regenerated. Calculate the liters of hard water which can be softened by zeolite. Now earlier case hardness was asked. Now second problem is different. How much water can be softened? Earlier hardness was asked and liter of water treated was given. Now the water sample treated, amount of water sample treated is not given, but you have given how much impurities are there. That your first two step, as I have told you, you have to carry out the same. And then how to calculate the amount of water, that I will explain. So write down 300 gram per liter. So 80 liter sodium chloride will have 300 gram in 1 liter. So 80 liter sodium chloride will have 80 into 300, that is 24,000 gram of sodium chloride. 80 liter sodium chloride will have 24,000 . Are you with me? How much it is? 80 लीटर में कितना सोडियम क्लोराइड है?
24,000 gram.
24,000 gram.
24,000 gram. Second step, as usual, 2 NaCl is equivalent to 1 CaCO3. Every time you have to write everything. 2 NaCl is equivalent to 1 CaCO3. So 2 into 58.5 is equivalent to 100. So 58.5 is equivalent to 50. So multiplication factor for NaCl will be 50 divided by 58.5. How much CaCO3 equivalent hardness will be there? Yes. How much CaCO3 equivalent hardness will be there? The CaCO3 equivalent hardness will be 24,000 into 50 divided by 58.5. Same step. CaCO3 equivalent hardness will be 80 into 300 is 24,000. 80 into 300 is 24,000. So CaCO3 equivalent hardness will be, so 58.5 is equivalent to 50. So 24,000 will be equivalent to how much? 24,000 NaCl will be how much? How many gram of CaCO3 equivalent hardness? 24,000 is NaCl. So 24,000 gram NaCl will be equivalent to how much? 58.5 is equivalent to 50. So 24,000 is equivalent to how much? It will be 24,000 into 50 divided by 58.5. First two steps, we have not done anything extra. We have done the same as it was done in first two numerical. Now we will change here. What is the hardness of water given here? What is the hardness of water is given here? Chalo. What is the hardness given here? Read the numerical. Hardness is, okay, you write down calculate the liters of hard water sample having hardness equal to 400 ppm. Just add one sentence there. Calculate the liters of hard water sample having hardness equal to 400 ppm as CaCO3. Just add that line, sorry for that. Having hardness equal to 400 ppm CaCO3, which can be softened by zeolite. Which can be softened by zeolite. First step is clear to you? Yes? 80 लीटर में कितना होगा सोडियम क्लोराइड? चलो स्पीक आउट. 80 लीटर्स में कितना होगा?
24,000 ग्राम.
ओके, वो हमने NaCl CaCO3 इक्विवेलेंट में कन्वर्ट किया. कैसे कन्वर्ट किया? 58.5 is equivalent to 50. So 24,000 will be equivalent to how much? So it will be 24,000 into 50 divided by 58.5. हाँ, अभी दूसरा पार्ट जो दिया है, हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर इज 400 ppm. What do you mean by 400 ppm? What do you mean by 400 ppm? कितना मिलीग्राम पर लीटर? What is 400 ppm?